Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treat and thanks a lot for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making authentic Ghana Shito, also known as black chili sauce. For the ingredients we need 7 large onions, 1.5 liters of vegetable oil, 120 grams ginger, 6 cloves of garlic and 1 seasoning cube. We also need 100 grams tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add more to suit your taste. We need smoked herrings, and I have here 220 grams, and smoked shrimps, I have here 100 grams. As usual, all ingredients are listed in the description box below. So we'll be blending our shrimps and our herrings, and I'll be using my food processor. I got these on my recent trip to Ghana. You can easily find them in any African shop. So you don't have to blend it to have a very smooth consistency. Just some few chunks in there will make it taste absolutely delicious. We'll be blending our garlic, ginger and onions, and I'm chopping up the ginger and onions to make it easier to blend. I'll be using oil to blend it, as using water increases the cooking time of the shito. So once it's blended, we pour it into a large saucepan and begin cooking on medium heat. Be sure to stir from time to time. So as the water begins to evaporate from the ginger, onion, garlic mix, we'll be adding our tomato paste in there. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet for amazing food related content every week. Also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. So we'll keep stirring this and leave it to cook on medium heat. So as we can see, most of the water has evaporated considerably. We'll then be adding our herring powder, our shrimp powder, our chili powder, as well as our seasoning cube, and mix everything well together. We'll allow this to cook on low heat until we begin to see a foamy film form on the surface of it. And this is a clear indication that our shito is almost done. We'll then add some salt to taste. You can see here our shito is done. It has darkened in color, and we have the foamy film on top. Another simple, easy and lekker recipe you can enjoy with your rice, jollof rice, fried rice, banku, almost everything. We usually prepare shito with lots of oil to help preserve it. After the cooking process, store it up in bottles with lots of oil on top, and this can last anywhere between 3 to 6 months. You can also keep it in the freezer to last longer. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.